How to prepare for a family reunification visa interview. Are you getting ready for a family reunification visa interview? This can be a big step in reuniting with your loved ones in the United States. Let's break down how to prepare effectively for this important meeting. First things first, once you receive your interview appointment letter from the National Visa Center, it is essential to schedule a medical examination. This exam must be done by a physician approved by the U.S. Embassy or consulate in your country. The examination includes necessary vaccinations and health checks. Make sure the results are ready before your interview date. The doctor will either send the results directly to the embassy or give you a sealed envelope. Remember, do not open this envelope yourself. Next, you need to gather all required documents. This is a critical step. You will typically need the interview appointment letter and the confirmation page of your online visa application, which is Form DS-260. Civil documents are also necessary, such as birth certificates, marriage certificates, police certificates, and any other documents requested by the National Visa Center. You should also provide proof of your relationship to the petitioner. This can include photos, correspondence, or joint financial records. Additionally, financial support documents are important. You will need Form I-864, which is the affidavit of support completed by your sponsor. This form shows that your sponsor can support you financially in the United States. Don't forget to bring your passport, which must be valid for at least 6 months beyond your intended entry date. Organizing these documents neatly in a folder will help you stay prepared for the interview. When it comes to the interview itself, practice is key. You should be ready to answer questions clearly and honestly about your relationship with the petitioner, your background, and your future plans in the United States. Common questions may focus on how you know your family member, the history of your relationship, and your intent to live in the U.S. Staying calm and straightforward will help build trust with the consular officer. If English is not your first language, you can request an interpreter for the interview. Effective communication is vital, so do not hesitate to ask for assistance if you need it. On the day of the interview, arrive early and dress respectfully. Bring all your documents, including the sealed medical exam envelope if you received one. The interview will usually be brief but thorough. The consular officer will review your documents, ask questions, and decide whether to approve your visa. If your visa is approved, you will receive your immigrant visa along with instructions for traveling to the United States. Once you arrive, your visa will convert to a temporary permanent resident status until you receive your official green card by mail. For families from the Middle East and others going through this process, understanding each step and preparing thoroughly can ease the stress of cultural adjustment and long wait times. Staying organized and honest throughout, the interview process supports a smoother path to reuniting with loved ones and starting a new chapter in America.